What up everybody, how you guys doing today? Today I'm going to be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of the new for 2025 Convulsing Nurse. Alright guys, this is my third and final animatronic unboxing for now from Haunted Hill Farm. If these are the only ones that are releasing for the year in terms of like re-releases or bringbacks, I think they could be, but they might not be. We'll see. I'd love to see Broken Girl come back, but I'm not sure. Maybe Boogeyman or something, but I don't think I'd get Boogeyman. I think I'd get Broken Girl though, for sure. Alright guys, so here is what you get. So we're going to start off with this little piece. It looks like a hip formation piece. We got two leg poles. They feel really good. Alright guys, here's the base. I think it could be a little bigger, but the quality does seem pretty good. It has the supports on each side, so that'll be great. Here is the nurse herself. She looks great. Chains are also down here. Looks like one of them came undone, but should be easy to put back on. We have a hip loop, so I guess that wasn't... I think that is a formation piece, but this is also another hip loop. We have a little piece. I really have no idea what this is for, honestly. But then we have the big mechanism with the control box. It does have the MIT kit thing. I have the electric box that opens. So I probably will use that on her for Halloween just because I know she... And I'll have her on super loud because I already know her audio is going to be like piercing loud. So I don't want to have that going all the time. And it could definitely get really annoying. But if I have that plugged in and just something that says press this, then yeah, it'll work. That is going to conclude the unboxing portion of this video. Now let's get this set up. Alright, so our first step is going to be lay the base on the ground. And then we're going to take these two leg poles that I showed you guys earlier and connect A to A down here. The snap locks will be facing the back, but it does say which way is the front. A to A, B to B. Then next is this mechanism piece. Once again, connect B to B. Then put this other formation piece on. Then continue building up with C to C. There you go. Next, we're going to actually put the nurse on. Connect C1 to C1. There we go. Yeah, she's pretty good size. Then before you pull all of her clothing down, make sure all the wires are out. Not sure there's a ton. I think it's just E to E. After you've done all that, you can pull down all of her clothing. Make sure she looks formed. Then what you're going to want to do is, if any of the chains fell off, like mine, then you're going to want to put those on. These stickers on the chains, these can fit to anything. You also can shorten these chains if you'd like, but these can stick onto anything. You just have to peel the adhesive off. I'm not going to do that today because I want to save them for Halloween, but I'm just going to leave these on the floor. Just like that. These things can shorten, and they will. So just be careful. All right, guys, let's plug her in now. All right, guys, so that was the Convulsing Nurse. I would say she's not worth $250, but if you would like her, I would say get her. Honestly, she's not worth it, but you know what I mean. It's okay to get her. The Gruesome Granny or the Gravely Granny, I wouldn't say you should get her at this point, but this one, it's really cool. It's a really cool animatronic, and I say get her if you want her, but you can definitely wait until Halloween when she goes on sale. I will leave a link in the description if you would like to purchase her. Please like, subscribe, comment, share, as that helps the channel greatly against the YouTube algorithm. And other than that, aim high, not low, and never quit. Peace.